Hello and welcome to another update video about Fantom. Yeah, Fantom is coming down here currently in a C wave of a wave 2. I think we're getting a reset of the wave 2. I did have a wave 2 labeled before here, but this scenario is facing invalidation, because we broke below that 44-cent level. We talked about it in the previous videos that the 44-cent level was sort of a signal level below which bullish scenarios get more and more threatened and challenged, not invalidated, but of course we changed course here in line with many other charts because the crypto market did quite a dramatic reversal, probably one of the strongest ones we've had in a while, and that obviously forces alternative counts to be more in the focus. And we currently have a label or a pattern here, which could be called a flat pattern, a running flat or an expanded flat, in which we, spiked here in a wave 1 in, around the 18th of March actually. Then we came down in what I see now as an A wave, then topped basically here in a B wave with an overshooting B wave, very annoying pattern. Yeah, because sometimes you can think with these patterns you're making a new low, you're already in the next wave up. But remember what I said all the time in this market, not only in the Fantom videos, that charts were getting quite a bit messy. And with these 1-2-1-2 setups we had here, which can be very bullish, but is also getting unrealistic at some point because it's basically too bullish, that it was a very choppy market and not typical behavior for a third wave already. So yeah, in the end it became a B wave with that top, broke down, it's coming down quite impulsively. So I think this is the ABC structure we see here. This is currently a very reasonable setup in my opinion, very reasonable scenario. We're coming down in an impulse and it looks like we are doing either a running flat or an expanded flat. Running flat means the C wave ends above the A. The expanded flat means the C wave ends below the A. And target-wise, we can measure the length of the A wave. We go to the high of the B wave, and ideal target here is the 1-to-1 ratio. I actually highlighted this with the dotted line here already, 40.7 cents. And this is certainly a level to watch, not necessarily the level it needs to get to, but a level to watch. Then we've got 39.6, 37.4, and 34.3 cents. Really only below that level we may have to look at something more bearish. Okay, at the moment it's still okay, but it's quite a mess, because we have two possibilities basically here. Either it is resetting this wave 2, which was here before, okay, so we do that reset, or if it comes down below 34.3 cents, it's going to reset the B wave, which is the 10th of March low. Now that would become very messy. It would basically force the scenario that the B wave is sitting down here. And by the way, if you hear something, it's a dog in the background sleeping. Dreaming basically. So dreaming of better crypto times. So we had the interpretation then that this was an A wave down, then all of this was B, and we're coming down here in the C wave of a larger B wave. Now, this could take out quite a while, and it would be very, very unreliable, a very unreliable pattern because it's a so-called A-B setup here on the chart. B waves can be very unreliable. Therefore, B waves can do all sorts of things. This would be difficult. At the moment, I think it's manageable, but below 34.3 cents, this chart will become a right mess, unfortunately. Doesn't mean it will go bearish, but it means starting to get unreliable. Okay, unfortunately, it's not that easy at the moment in crypto. Elliott wave likes clear patterns with clear targets, clear invalidation points, nice impulses. At the moment, we don't see those nice impulses, not everywhere. Possible impulses were invalidated, but they didn't really. Well, we saw on many charts those choppy charts here, and I highlighted to you many times that it's not typical behavior for a third wave, and Elliott wave doesn't like that, and therefore it's challenging at the moment. Generally in the market, structures are leaving room for many interpretations. But I think we are due at least a temporary bounce here from this area somewhere. We are about to get a bullish crossover on the MACD. We have a bullish crossover on the RSI, both on the 4-hour charts. Looking at the daily chart, unfortunately, this is still heading down a little lower. So again, I don't think at this stage we have enough evidence to count the C wave complete. Yeah, in most cases, when you have a pattern like that, the C wave would end below the A wave. So the daily chart suggests that at the moment we're also not yet oversold on the daily, but on the 4-hour, it would suggest a bounce because we've got those bullish crossovers and we were oversold on the 4-hour chart. Let's see, maybe we're already doing that bounce here, but there is not sufficient evidence to say that we have really bottomed here in the C wave. We could have, but there is not enough evidence yet. But yeah, typically, when do we get that first piece of evidence? Well, the first indication that a low has been made is typically the break of the 50% retracement. Here we talk about 48.2 cents. So if price breaks meaningfully above 48.2 cents, we could say there is a good chance that we have bottomed here, but it's really only a first indication. Okay, and that's my update about Fantom. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.